Ìrúbọ. There are two main types of offerings that can be made by a person. The first type does not require a significant amount of money. If this type of offering is revealed to a person, it may be that the person should not sympathize with the family of a deceased person for 7 days, 3 months, or a year, and so on and so forth, and also as the case may be. It could be that the person should not travel out of his or her town. It may also mean that such a person must not go to the river. Likewise, they may ask to gift out a certain cloth that such a person wears all the time, or the most expensive one. They may also be asked to give money to beggars on the street. This type of offering is not difficult to offer. Whoever this appears to should not think otherwise about it. The second type of offering that may also be offered could be sometimes expensive and may demand a lot of effort. There are various methods through which these two types of offerings can be revealed to someone. However, here are some of the ways offering of sacrifice can be revealed to someone. Arinako, ojú àlá, oko alájẹ, obì sísọ, àyẹ̀wò, ìjádesíni, and gbígba àlejò abàmì. Let us explain them. Arinako. This type of ẹbọ is when someone is going to the farm, for instance, or to the river, or is simply walking on the streets. Such a person may encounter a special being who may stop the person, and the special being could tell such a person a certain sacrifice to offer in order to prevent a certain bad occurrence to happen. Ojú àlá. This type of ẹbọ may emerge during dreams. The person that is dreaming may know the amount of which he or she will do through the spirit. They must make this offering for such a person. In our tradition, Yoruba people do not take such matters lightly. Oko alájẹ. A person who goes to consult Ifá through a Babalawo, Olosun, Alagbigba, or any other priest of Orisha is said to be someone who goes to Oko Alaje. A sacrifice to offer usually comes out to such a person or his or her family or friend. That is someone who is said to have gone to Oko Alaje. Obì sísọ. When casting obi in front of an Orisha, a certain sacrifice to offer may later emerge for the person offering a sacrifice to an Orisha or the diviner of the obi, or for a relative. Àyẹ̀wò. It is during àyẹ̀wò ẹbọ typically emerged. It could be revealed to the person that came for the àyẹ̀wò, or his or her family, or friend, or neighbor. Jíjádesí. This type of sacrifice often revealed to someone who wasn't present at the place of what is called Oko Alaje. Whoever this sacrifice appears to, it is believed that such a person must offer the sacrifice, even though he or she was not the one who went for the àyẹ̀wò. Gbígba àlejò abàmì. If someone's heart is good and their intentions are pure to the people around them and full of kindness and generosity to their neighbors, this kind of people are often visited by what is called àlejò abàmì, which can be translated to the spirit in human form based on the respect and value they give to this stranger. They too will be treated with the same respect and receive a gift from the spirit. The gift in this context is in form of an ẹbọ to offer. The Yoruba people believe that this type of ẹbọ are often received and accepted effectively. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the Super Thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. Get a better life. To be continued.